CrowdTangle is one of the most talked about social media management and analytics platforms, but is it the right fit for your needs? In this video, we're covering the 12 things you need to know before buying CrowdTangle. Stick around till the end because we'll also share an alternative that might be a better choice for you. First, CrowdTangle is designed for social media tracking, particularly for monitoring public content. This is a huge advantage for larger organizations or content creators looking to track their online presence across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. However, keep in mind that CrowdTangle is primarily aimed at public content, meaning private or closed group content is not part of the analysis. Next thing to know, CrowdTangle offers robust real-time analytics, allowing users to see how their content performs in near real time. This feature gives a clear picture of engagement, which is something many competitors, like Sprout Social or Hootsuite, often lack in such granular detail. The third thing you need to consider is CrowdTangle's focus on tracking content from third parties. This feature is fantastic for news organizations and publishers who want to understand how content from others is performing across platforms, providing valuable insights for their own content strategies. But for smaller businesses or individuals focusing on just their own content, this feature might not be as relevant. The fourth thing is that CrowdTangle doesn't come with a built-in social media posting feature. Unlike Hootsuite or Buffer, which let you schedule and post content directly from their platforms, CrowdTangle only allows you to track content. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one platform, this might not fully meet your needs. The fifth thing to note is the user interface. While it's relatively easy to navigate, CrowdTangle can become overwhelming with so much data being displayed. Competitors like Sprout Social might offer a more intuitive interface for users new to social media analytics, providing a better user experience. Next, CrowdTangle is a free tool, but it's not available to everyone. To access it, you need to be affiliated with a partner organization, such as a large media outlet or public figure. This limitation makes it less accessible to small businesses or individual creators who don't have that kind of access. The seventh thing is CrowdTangle's reporting capabilities. While it does provide good metrics, its reports aren't as customizable as those from competitors. If you're after more in-depth, tailored reporting, platforms like Sprout Social or Buffer offer better customization options. Next, CrowdTangle is particularly useful for measuring the virality of content. The Viral Content Tracker is one of its standout features, helping brands track which posts are gaining traction and where. However, this may not be enough for brands needing deeper insights into audience sentiment or engagement trends, areas where other platforms can excel. Another thing to keep in mind is that CrowdTangle's insights are mostly based on engagement data. If you need insights into audience demographics or detailed campaign performance analysis, you may find it lacking in comparison to platforms like Hootsuite or Social Bakers. The 10th thing to consider is that CrowdTangle offers a browser extension. While it's a convenient feature, it's limited when it comes to functionality compared to competitors like SocialBee, which offers a wider variety of tools integrated within their system. The 11th thing is CrowdTangle's support system. It's good, but can feel limited. When compared to platforms like Sprout Social, which offers extensive customer support, CrowdTangle's support might fall short for users needing more hands-on assistance. The last thing to know is CrowdTangle's data is mostly limited to Facebook and Instagram, with only partial support for other platforms like Twitter. If you need a broader social media tracking tool, something like Hootsuite could be a better fit with its multi-platform support. So, is CrowdTangle a good option? Yes, especially if you're in a larger organization needing public content tracking and real-time analytics. But if you need more than that, or you're just a small business owner or content creator, there might be better solutions out there. If you want to try a more robust platform with free trials and features that give you more comprehensive social media management, check out our recommended solution linked in the description below.